What is up, my guys? How are you doing? Salvador Olague, Sober Sal. Let me set this up. I hope this works out in my favor. If it falls, well, I'm gonna blame it on you, the viewers watching. Viewers advice. Let me see, what the fuck? How am I gonna make this goddamn shit work, my guys? This is definitely gonna fall. What is up, my dudes? What is up? Can you see me well? Or is it falling? It looks like it's about to fall. Let me see where I can put this. Maybe right here, guys. I can tie it right here nicely. You know? Hold on. Let me set this up. There we go. Hopefully, you guys can hear me well. You know, I don't have the best mic, but I am getting better at this. Making it fun for you watchers. I don't want to bore you to death. You know what I'm saying? Sobriety is already boring as it is. I'm trying to make it fun for you guys. Make it worth your while. Hopefully, you can see me well. I'm just going to hope for the best. I hope that this angle is good enough. It's gonna be a quick 6 or 7 minute video, and today I'm gonna be talking about something that happened to me already not too long ago. Okay, so I recently I was working at the part-time job because I'm a coach for kids. I've been coaching kids for 5 years now, going for 6. I've been working in the front desk, the kids section, for like maybe 2 years, so in total it's like 8 years. So this kid, right? Obviously I'm not gonna give the names or anything, but this kid comes in around the time that I come in when I work, 6 to 8 p.m. And it's funny, every time they see me, they're like, Coach Salvador's here. Maybe not every time, but a lot of the times. And that just made me like realize, like, I gotta make this video because first impression is real. First impression is everything, guys. People are gonna judge you based on their first impression. It is what it is, right? We're humans. Let's say you were to meet someone and they were just rude to you the first time you met him, and you're like, what the hell? Why is this person rude to me? I've never met him. I've never seen him or her. Like, what the hell did I do, right? So that's why I'm saying, that's why I want to tell you guys this. When the kid came in, they're like, oh, Coach Salvador's here, yeah. And I just gave straight good energy. Shit, give me a second. God damn it. I gave straight good energy. Why? Because I don't want them to have a bad day. They're young. I want them to enjoy their youth, all right? Just like I enjoyed my youth, I'm gonna let them enjoy their youth. So if you ever come across someone that's excited to see you guys, don't let them down. Be excited. Truly wants me to succeed. I can relate with this person. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to die without no one remembering me, right? Because if I die without no one remembering me, that'd probably be my biggest regret of them all. Right, Shadow? Anyways, I tell you guys this because I want you guys to be remembered. I want you guys to make memories. And you can't make memories, you cannot be remembered if you're still letting alcohol control your life. You're still letting drugs control your life. Even as small as weed that is made from the earth, ground, and it's God's drug, whatever. I think that's complete bullshit, okay? Yes, is there some successful people that smoke it? Yeah. But they're successful. They've done a lot. Do they deserve it? That's up to them. That's really up to them. Okay, like Andy Frisella, for example. He has the most exotic cars, the most exotic life, one of the biggest brands of all time, First Form, and all that good jazz. And he smokes. He said on the podcast publicly, right? But he's successful, guys. I'm talking about the person who hasn't achieve much, the one who still needs to work on making money, you know, 5, 10,000, 15,000 a month. The person that truly is not there, and you know what, boo-hoo, you'll never make it to where you want to get to. You'll never be there. It is what it is, but you're going to keep striving to go higher and higher, right? Elevated, right? Excelsior, even upward, as Stan Lee said. And I'm telling you guys, in life, you just gotta document your journey when you're not that person. You gotta do it as raw as possible. You gotta do it while you're living your life and learning aside. I'm learning skills like designing websites, product designs, ad graphics designs, coming up with good ideas to get attention, you know? I'm doing admin work. I know how to go high level, like learning skills along the way. And that's why I document my journey. That's why I want you guys to know that this kid who came in with a positive attitude, I think we're missing that. A lot of people are missing that positive attitude, that hope, that spark, and we need to bring it back. You always say new year, new goals, new me, but is it really new you? Is it really new goals? Are you really gonna stick to your goals, or are you just gonna watch other people do it, or you're just gonna see people like new content creators who, you know, are starting to make videos now, but then end up quitting 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks from now? I've been doing this for 4 weeks, 5 weeks, and I've only grown to 1,000 subscribers still. I still got a long way to go, and I don't mind. I like the journey. I like the game. Yes, I'm impatient, but I'm gonna be blissfully impatient. I'm gonna enjoy the process. I think that's what makes it fun. That's what keeps you to stay sober, to keep posting, to keep working on your craft, like designing. And so this message is just for anyone out there on January 9th who wants to be remembered and wants to do more in life. You guys, check your call history on Apple Watch. Bro, shut the Siri. I didn't call Siri. Anyways, if you want to do more in life, if you just want to watch someone do more in life, it's not enough, guys. Comment down below, what exactly are you looking for? Like, what do you want to achieve in 26 below? Let me know. I will respond. I always respond, actually. And I respond fast. So let me know in the comments, what do you want to achieve? The best comment, I will pin you, okay? If you want to be a creator, I'll pin you. More people will get to know you. It's going to help you out. Any way I can help you guys succeed with me, I will. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, comment, share. There's a link called Buy Me a Coffee. That's going to keep me motivated. It's going to keep me inspired. It's going to keep me gaining new ideas and new video equipment to improve every single aspect of these videos. Thank you guys, and later, G's.